guys, today we're going to learn how to solve a 3x3 Rubik's Cube in as simple of steps as possible. So I'm going to start by just jumbling up my cube. Now it does not matter how jumbled your cube is at all. It can be slightly jumbled, fully jumbled. It does not matter because the steps are going to be exactly the same. So I'm going to start by looking at the yellow face. So the middle pieces do not change. So this is the yellow face. And what we're going to work on doing is getting 4 white pieces. So this is called the daisy. And we are going to make these 4 pieces white to surround the yellow center. Now this one is already in its place. Now I know it's not technically in the right spot, but we just are working on making a daisy right now. So here is another centerpiece. So this is just going to be rotated up. We have 2 out of 4 of the pieces. And here's another one. And since we can't just go like this because we already have the middle there, what you're going to do is you're going to rotate this piece that way and then flip it up. Now we have 3 out of 4. Now where is the last one? Here it is. It's right above this one. So we're going to rotate the bottom. And if we just go and rotate it up, it's not going to go in. So right now we have it centered here. You're going to rotate it this way and then flip it up. So now we have a daisy. Now you are going to look at this piece, the middle pieces, and see what color they are. And since this one has green, you're going to rotate it over to the green face. So you'll know it's the green face because the middle pieces never change. So since this is lined up with green, you're going to flip it upside down. So now it is in the right spot. Go back up to your yellow face and we have this one. So this is white and orange, and then you're going to rotate it down. Now let's look at our other pieces. This one needs to be on red. So rotate it over to red and flip it upside down. Now we have one more and it needs to be on blue. So rotate it over to blue and flip it down. Now we have a white cross. Now we are going to work on filling in our corner pieces. And this one is blue and orange. So we are going to rotate it over to blue and orange. So this one needs to go here because it has blue, orange, and white. So to solve the corner pieces, it either needs to be on this cube or down here. And since I have it up here, I can do the algorithm to get it into the right spot. So you're gonna go up, left, down, right. And mine's solved on the first try. Normally it takes about 2 to 3 algorithms to get it into place. So now we have this one and it needs to go in between green and red. So let's just rotate it over to the green and red. It's in between green and red now, so it needs to go here. So same rules apply. If it's on this cube at all or this cube, you can just do the algorithm that I'm showing you. It needs to either be here or here for you to be able to solve it. Up, left, down, right. Solved. Now we got this one here, which is orange and green. So we are going to rotate just the top over to orange and green. Here's our orange and green. It needs to go here. So it's on this cube. So up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Now we have one more left to solve, and this one is red and blue. So here it is. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. And now this piece, the bottom is completely solved because all the whites are filled in and we got the whole bottom row. So how you're going to make sure it's solved is the middle piece is going to match the 3 bottom pieces. So green, orange, blue, red. Now we're going to solve for the 2 middle pieces on each side. So you're going to check your top and see if you have any pieces without yellow. So this one is without yellow. It is red and blue. So we are going to rotate, we're going to turn it to the side now. And it's got blue on the side, so you're going to move it over to blue. And it needs to go here. So this is a new algorithm. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn it away from where it needs to go. So since it needs to go on the right hand side, you're going to rotate the top of your cube to the left. So now that piece is moving to the left. We're gonna start by doing a right algorithm since your piece needs to go to the right. Up, left, down, right. And now that we have done the right algorithm, we are going to turn our cube to the left. So if you start by doing a right hand algorithm, you're gonna need to go ahead and turn it to the left. If you've done a left hand algorithm, you need to turn it to the right. So we've done a right hand algorithm, so we need to turn it to the left and do a left hand algorithm, which is up, right, down, left. And now the piece is solved in its proper spot. Now let's look for any more that don't have yellow, and that one does not have yellow. So we're gonna rotate it over to orange. And all right, so this piece needs to go to the right again. So you're gonna rotate it away, so to the left. Then we are gonna do a right hand algorithm since it needs to go to the right. So up, left, down, right. Now we're gonna rotate our cube to the left. We just did the right, now to the left, up, right, down, left. So now that piece is in its right spot, and we got one here that's already set up to go in the right spot. It needs to go to the left this time. So rotate your cube to the right. And since it needs to go to the left, we're gonna start with a left hand algorithm. So up, right, down, left. And since we just did the left, we're gonna move to the right. Now up, left, down, right. That piece is in its right spot. Now we just have one more to go, and it's right there, and it needs to go to the right. So push it to the left, do the right, turn it to the left, and do the left hand algorithm. Now they are all solved. The two columns are solved. Now we just need to go in and do the top. And if you have a horizontal line, keep it horizontal. Don't turn it this way. So now we are going to turn our whole face clockwise. So the whole Rubik's Cube face clockwise. Now we're going to do the right algorithm 2 times. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. Now do the right algorithm 2 more times. Up, left, down. There we go. And put this down. And now you should have your cross. And here's what's going to happen. Either you're going to have two of the middles in the right spot, but they're away from each other, or 2 in the right spot and they're next to one another. If they're next to one another, hold them in the back right. If not, you can just do this from anywhere, which it looks like that's what I'm gonna have to do. So now you're gonna bring your right side up, push it over, put this back down, push it over again, bring this side back up, and move the white back to where you got it from and put it back down. Now we're gonna see if we have any in the right spot. Okay, so we have 2 here. So we're gonna hold them in the back right, do the same thing, bring this up, over, down, over, up. All right, so now it's time to solve the corners, and all of my corners are technically in the right spot because as you can see here, green, orange, this one's in between green and orange, good. Orange and blue, it's in the right spot. This one's definitely in the right spot, and this one is also in the right spot. But it would do you no good if I don't show you how to solve the corner, so I'm just gonna show you the algorithm that you're gonna use to solve the corners. So if you have a solved corner, you're gonna hold it in the front right. Then you're gonna rotate your cube counterclockwise, lift the right side up, clockwise, lift the left side up, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, down. And that's how you would get them in their right spots. And now as you can see, they are jumbled because I did it again, but I got one here, so I'm gonna show you guys one more time. Rotate it counterclockwise, right side up, clockwise, left side up, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, down. And we are gonna do that again, seeing as they are still a little jumbled. So counterclockwise, right side up, clockwise, left side up, counterclockwise, down, clockwise, down. And now they are all in the right spots again. We still have that one that is already solved, so that's fine. So you're gonna flip it and pick a color. So I'm gonna start with orange, okay? So this one needs to be solved, and I have 3 that need to be solved. The one that you're solving needs to be over here. So say I have this piece here. So this piece here that's already solved, all I need to do is rotate just the bottom. So this one needs to be solved. So let me start on red now that I'm set up. So this one's already solved, right? So we're gonna rotate it so that the one that needs to be solved is here. So now we're gonna do the right hand algorithm, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right, up. Oh wait, that one's solved. Okay, so now we are gonna turn the bottom once, and this one needs to be solved. So up, left, down, right, up, left, down, right. Now rotate just the bottom again, up, left, down, right, up, left, down, and solved. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any questions, need any help with any other parts of the cube, or need me to go further into a certain step. Like I said, you can watch this video back a couple times if you need to rewind. I mean, it does take a couple tries to get it down, but I have confidence in you. So I'll see you next time.